Hello teacher, my name is Nicole Gallegos and I'm going to talk about Wembley Park stabbings, Daniel Hussein guilty of murdering sisters. So what is about of the history? And a man who stabbed two sisters at random in a supposed demonic pact as sacrifice, he seemingly believed would enable him to win the lottery, has been found guilty of their murder. Daniel Hussein, who was 19 years old, was involved. So he killed Viva Henry and Nicole Smellman at Friend Country Park in Wembley on 6 June 2020. Who can you see in this picture? Viva Henry, 46, and Nicole Smallman, 27, were found by a search party of loved ones 2 days after a gathering to celebrate the older sister's birthday. He repeatedly stabbed them after a birthday party for Miss Henry. So their various bodies were found there by Miss Smallman's boyfriend the day after they had been reported missing to the police. The Old Valley heard how the sister had been with a small group of friends to celebrate Miss Henry's 46th birthday. How can you see in this picture? The sister had been with a small group of friends in Friend Country Park and stayed on after others left. When the others left, they decided to stay as they were enjoying themselves. They lit fairy lights, listening to music and danced the trailhead. After they failed to make it home, loved ones went back to the park to search for them, and 2 days later found the woman's sunglasses and a knife. How can you see in this picture a document found singing in Hussein's blood, in which he promised to sacrifice women, exactly 6 women. Adam Stone, 27 years old, Miss Smallman's partner, then discovered the 2 bodies intertwined in the underground while he was on the phone to the police. How can you see in this picture? The sisters' mobile phones were found dumped in a pond in the park. The mistakes that had the murder was Hussein also cut himself during the attack, and it was DNA evidence found at the crime scene that connected him to the murders. Nearly a month after the deaths, a DNA familiar link was made by the police to Hussein's father, who had a past caution, and officers raided the defendant's home. In his bedroom of him, they found 3 lottery tickets folded inside in a letter, signed in blood. In it, Hussein promised to sacrifice 6 women every 6 months in exchange for winning the Mega Millions Super Jackpot. And thank you.